are heading to Acropolis. Finally, it's 8 in the morning. The marble, it's marble, right? It's really slippery. If you're ever heading to Acropolis, wear some shoes with, I don't know, that can grab the surface better, because it's so slippery and it's not even wet. And so we have a ticket. We bought them just a few weeks ago, actually. We gotta go through security, and then we're going to be, this is it. This is where we're going. Okay, so this is the amphitheater we came to see yesterday from the other side. It's rather pretty, huh? That's why they held the Broadway shows. It's not big. I wonder how many people could sit in here, but that building behind is so cool, isn't it? So this is your amphitheater. There's this hill on the other side. I forgot the name of it. It starts with letter P, but we're gonna go over there later. And there's a Acropolis Museum on the left. All the way in the back, see, there's a, see? Over there? That's all see. So there's somewhere there is the, behind that hill is Piraeus. So we're gonna end up there. Well, 9 o'clock we're leaving today, 9 p.m. The ship is leaving. Oh, you wanna go? Well, you can go down here later, I think, right? Because I think this is the only way. Can you imagine people used to walk here 2,500 years ago? It was like 4.5 centuries before Christ was born. That's when Acropolis was at its peak. Pretty impressive site. It's actually not busy. It's really cool. I'm really glad that we came there. I'm loving that it's not like super crowded and it's not hot, because people will be like miserable here. It's little on the chilly side, it's like 50 degrees, but it's absolutely beautiful. The views of Athens are like really incredible from here. I can't believe how empty it is. The place looked kind of nice at night though, yesterday, right? Look at this, like on the top when you see it, right? Look at like the details, how it like, right? 2,500 years ago. And nowadays they cannot build anything that lasts. I think you can get, I don't think you can go inside the Parthenon. So this one here, it's actually probably the closest you could get. That's the furthest I can extend. It's funny how you can see like quite few like new marbles like this wall there, right on the left. And then the altar. Why? It must have been some hard work. You gotta take the pieces to get off, right? Without breaking them. Doesn't look like you can go inside at all. Yeah, so like I do remember that, like the one in Tennessee actually. So it's like a building inside this thing, right? Here's like all the walls are here gone, except just a little piece here. But there's like a building inside, and then you have like a little, what do you call it? Like a little porch around. But you can see like on the top, this one has some like sculptures, right? Like there is what? There is some kind of like a man over there. Because I thought this is something I think what we've seen in the British Museum, some of those things from the sculptures on this thing. Because there were so many of them, right? Yeah. But so I'm glad that some of it stayed here. So what kind of columns are those? Are those Corinthian? They just look so cool, don't they? And it's like, you know, you see the columns like this in so many museums and stuff, but those are kind of like the original ones. No, I actually think I like the other ones better, don't you? Yeah, but now you're looking at the whole city from Acropolis. Something like 3.5 million people here living here. 1/3 of the population of Greece lives in Athens, basically. This is the Temple of Zeus, the one straight ahead there, with Hadrian Gate. There's a Olympic Stadium in the back here. That, you know, this is, you know, the good side from this angle is there's no scaffoldings on this side, right? There's the red one, someplace he just hid in there. He was a really pretty one. Again, wasn't skinny at all. Okay, so this is that's a different amphitheater. It is way better experience than my first time when I was here. I remember being like kind of miserable because it was so hot. Not to mention, the first time when I came here, you know, I didn't know this. All the signs are in Greek and English, and I couldn't read either one of them. Not that I'm really reading it, actually, but at least I have the ability. So this is the hill I had to. And then this little rock below there on the right side there. So I confirmed with one of the guys working here that drones are not okay. So I'm glad I didn't bring one. But I would always wonder if I could have brought one. Goodbye, Parthenon. I'll see you next time, I hope. Ooh, you're gonna have to like watch my. I'm not gonna allow you to watch my videos unless you pay the paid subscription. Then no. Before I publish this video, I gotta see how many people visit this site a year. Oh, you wanna go to the left?